Morning, Rich from the garage. Just a special tip this morning for putting spacers on the back of the bracket. Basically, you need just that little bit more so it fits beautifully. So you want a spacer at the back. Of course, the spacers always fall off. So you get your spacer and you get your spacer and you put a bit of tape on it like that. And then you put it on the back. See, whoops, put it on the back. Right, line it up, stick it up. Whoops, sorry. Put your spacer on. There's your spacer. You stick it there. Right, and you line it up, line it up, line it up, line it up. Where you want to be. Stick it down. Put your tape on, which is fine. Tape can stay there. That doesn't matter. You've got your spacers. And they won't keep falling off the screws. There we go, just a little hint today how to get it perfect. And when you've got your perfect distance for your soldering and your bits and bobs. Cheers.